Why not?
I'm gonna ask for a new, fully loaded SUV.
Interesting. I'm gonna ask for an end to global warming.
What, you think my list is superficial?
I don't know. Let me see it.
No.
You want a pasta machine?
I like to cook.
Well, don't you want something more, meaningful?
I have everything I want. Great job, beautiful girlfriend. Let me see yours. Tiki lights, Chinese teapot. Stop disappointing my parents. Come on, I'm sure that's not true.
Believe me, it's true.
Look, your parents are good people.
What?
They love you.
I just wish
Oh,
the
you
words
got to
they'd
be
look at
kidding me.
The way they look at you.
They do.
They don't. The best Christmas I ever had, I was 10. I was taking figure skating lessons, and I was supposed to have this big recital on Christmas Eve. There was this huge snowstorm, and they canceled it. Ugh, I was so upset. But our house had this patio on the back, and Dad shoveled it, and ran the hose over it, and
You should get cheese ice.
And my mom put lights in all the trees in the backyard. The glow was so beautiful. It was so quiet.
Couldn't see them in the dark.
That Christmas Eve, I skated my little routine.
But I can't see him. This camera's very dark right
I was the
now.
only person in the whole world. They were so proud of me.
I had to use.
Somewhere along the way, things changed, and I wish they still felt that way about me,
Yeah, that's fine.
You know, I think parents want the best for their kids, but sometimes they don't know what that is.
I finished this like last week or something.
You probably had the other
Who wants to do the honors?
No more interrupt. We were watching this movie.
Are you ready to settle down for the evening, honey?
Go play your game.
Right here's a big difference.
Sorry, guys.
Hello? Excuse me, there's a concerned citizen here who needs help from her civil servants. Yoo-hoo! Hey! Somebody better pay attention to me.
It's all yours now.
She's all yours.
Domestic disturbance?
No, thank you very much. I'm here to report a kidnapping.
Wait, why'd she get reports of kidnapping?
Hey!
Because her boyfriend got stolen.
I switched to Geico and
Oh, she needs a little bit lesson.
Like a blanket?
You seeing this?
Geico. Expect great savings and a whole lot more.
You see you're seeing this?
Get everything on your list and
I can see you.
from same-day delivery
Can you now?
to free drive-up.
Sure.
Quick and easy contactless shopping.
You're not gonna come down and snuggle with us?
Huh?
You're not gonna come down and snuggle with us?
No, just for a video. Why does your hand look like Uncle Mike?
Conveniently stay in your
What?
car while you
That's
The fur? You're in the werewolf's place.
and we'll quickly bring your food to
This
you.
is why your hairs now look like gray. You have a gray hair.
Get out to get
I look
carried.
like Greg now?
No, your hair is now gray. That's what I mean it.
Yeah,
when
it's
are you
starting to
recording
go gray.
this?
You know,
Stay in the driver's
talk about his hair called gray,
Verizon 5G is here.
and you interrupt our movie,
5G
Hey,
nationwide.
can I see
And
your
in
phone?
more and more cities.
and you interrupt his
I have two
film.
phones.
Performance of ultra wideband. This is the 5G America's been waiting for. Only from Verizon. When it comes to damage,